formula, and today I will begin my presentation on the different types of events for soil compaction. Here are my group members. So let us know exactly what is compaction. Compaction is the process of applying mechanical energy to a soil mass so as to rearrange the particles and making it dense to the expulsion of air from the voids between the soil. So the main purpose of compaction is to decrease the size of voids between these particles. Different type of action is effective in different type of action is effective in different type of soil depending upon the soil type. So it depends on the soil types. Next. So here are different types of equipment: smooth ring roller, pneumatic or rubber tire roller, shape pull rollers, vibrating drum, and at last runners. Let's share this smooth ring roller. This type of roller incorporates a large string drum at the front and one or two wheels drum at the rear. Basically, there are two types: tandem rollers. So, tandem roller, if there is one wheel at the rear, they are known as tandem rollers. So, the weight of tandem roller ranges from 2 to 8 tons. The ground pressure exerted by the tandem roller is typically around 10 to 17 grams per centimeter square. The second one is three-wheel roller. There are two wheels at the rear. The weight of the three-wheel roller ranges from 8 to 10 tons. It is a little bit heavier. The performance of smooth wheel roller depends on the load per centimeter weight transferred to the soil, which is derived from the gross weight of the soil and the drum diameter. It provides us 100% coverage. The contact pressure is up to 380 kilopascals. It can also be used on soil types except for rocky soils. And the compacting effort is static weight. We use static weight. The most common use of large smooth wheel roller is for subgrades and compacting asphalt framing. So it is used for asphalt framing. It is the most common type of roller. It is suitable for it is used in road construction. It is suitable for crossroads, and it is used for well-graded sand and gravels, silt and clays and off-road plastic. It is unsuitable for uniform sand and silty sand and soft clays. And that's all from my side. And now I will invite my group member Umar for the proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Tariq, for inviting me the remaining part of this presentation. Hope you all will find and doing good with your life by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now, today we have a presentation about equipments, compaction equipments. So now I would like to recall from the beginning that what is compactions. So first of all, we have to, most of the people have a question in their mind that why is compactions? The question is not that what is compaction. What is compaction? That is easy. But the question is that why is compaction and why we are studying compaction in civil engineering. So if we look to this phenomena, that why, so the answer for the why of mine is that and when we are to study the nature of the soil, so there are the pores are voids in the soil. So when we are compact the soil, so we know that we are what we are doing. We are doing that we are decreasing the volume of the soil. So when we are decreasing the volume of the soil, so we confine the masses of the soil particles in their volumes. So we can say that from the compaction we can get a dry unit. So dry unit, dry weight. So dry weight, we can say basically that dry weight is equal to weight divided by volume. So when we are compacting the soil, so its weight is equal to mass times multiply gravity. So we are decreasing the volume. So when we are decreasing the volume, so there in that volume we are increasing the mass. So its dry unit will be increasing. And dry unit is the engineering properties of what of the material. So on behalf of this, now there are a few types of the equipments of the compactions which we are using in the field. Number one is the roller, and number second, which is described by my colleague Tariq, and number second one is the pneumatic roller. So pneumatic roller is a type of the compaction equipment and which is used for the subgrades. Usually we use it for the subgrades. What is the subgrade? Subgrade is the existing soil. The existing soil in which a road or a structure will be constructed. So we need this that structure. We need the surface is called subgrade. So for the compactions of the subgrade, simply we use pneumatic roller. And they have they have a tiles. So through the tiles, they are compacting the soils and the which I am describing that often used in the pavement subgrades. And secondly, there's a benefit from the roller one, because its advantages from the roller one is that it delivers more pressure to the pavement as compared to the roller one. And the second one is that if somewhere this disadvantage is that if somewhere the moisture content is more, so we can't use this because there are the tears and the tires. They cannot. There will be no proper fraction. So when there is no proper fraction, so there will be no compaction. We can't get a good compaction. The sheep foot roller. Another one is the sheep foot roller. So this is also another type of the roller. We can define it as sheep foot roller is a self-propelled heavy machinery which works on the principle of static load. The type of the roller is available in a different variety of sizes depending on the nature of the soil. Around a rectangular shape, protrusions are feet attached to a steel drum. 8 to 12% coverage. Compact pressure is from 40 to 7,000 kilopascal. It is best suitable for clean soils. There are a lot of we can say points, but I will. These are the same which are also that this one usually used in a whole dams. And we look to the which I told you before that the pneumatic are a type roller. It is not suitable. It is not work very good in the moisture. In the moisture situation, in the moisture content is more in the soil. So therefore, we prefer the sheep foot roller for when we are use it in our dams. When we are want to construct a dam or other structure, but where we want to we need that there is no. We need less moisture content. So therefore we prefer this sheep foot roller. If we prefer the entire roller, so there will be no proper compaction. Next please. vibrating drum on a smooth wheel roller. Vibrating rollers are most identical to the smooth wheel roller except for one major difference. They come with a specialized vibrating component as the roller compacts and flattens the surface it will vibrate. This type of roller is fitted with one or more smooth surface steel wheels 0.9 meter to 1.5 meter in diameter and 1.2 to 1.8 meter wide. Self-propelled vibratory roller weight from 4 to 6 tons. Roller vibration causes rearrangement of the soil particle, convective effort, static rate, and vibrations. Suitable for granular soils. This one is the last, we can say another type of compaction equipments. Handle vibratory blades are rammer. Rammer is a lightweight compaction equipment used for the compacting small areas by providing effect load to the soil. It can be hand operated or machine operated. Simply, we can say that these are also very good instruments, but they are number one that they will be. You can use it for a small projects, not for a very large projects. And the second one, if you have a lot of times in the projects, then you can use it. And simply you can say that we can use it locally, not we can use in a huge. If you have a time, you can use, but no, we can't use it in a large project. Next, please. Rammers are more suitable for the cohesive and semi-cohesive soil. Due to lightweight, it is used for interior floor compactions, which I have told you before that we can use it locally. It is also used for the repair of a road, shoulder and highway streets, soils with low to moderate fines content, trench bag fill work in confined area, unsuitable for large volume work, which I have told you before that we can't use it. Large volume work is unsuitable. Weight, clay, compaction, and simply that we can't use this compactor, so we can't use it for the weight. Thank you very much for the listening my presentations. If you have any questions, you can